Welcome back, everybody. This is Kevin from Walker's Adventures. Check the link below to our store for all your RV travel logs, vacation planners, weekly, monthly, yearly planners. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and turn on notifications.
Well, I did something bad. See the kitchen table? I broke it. That's what happens when you put your weight on it, getting up from the table. So now we got to fix it. Went to the hardware store and got these legs right here. I'm gonna do 4 legs. Underneath the table, take out the base that's underneath there. That way it just looks better and it'll be more stable so I can push down on it, but not as much as I did before. And here Linda is out here sanding for the first time in forever, she just said. God bless her for fixing my stuff that I broke from putting too much weight on it.
Cheap.
Well, she says it's cheap.
Cheap furniture.
I think she's probably right. We're gonna paint the legs the same color as the cabinets that's in there.
Cappuccino.
Cappuccino, tan, I guess.
It's a color, cappuccino.
Oh, it is a color? Okay. Well, you can see she's going to be doing a good job on it. We had to go get a block yesterday so she could sand. See, a block we got from Menards for, I think it was like $4. But you got to have it if you're going to sand much.
I've never been to Menards. You need to go take a tour.
Yeah, they've got Menards. I think that's just a northern thing in the northern states. So if you're up way north, you probably already know about Menards. If not, you need to go check it out. Right there's what we're going to do. You see that's a leg right there underneath the table. So you won't it'll all blend together. It'll look like $1,000,000. It'll be stable too. Right there's the braces we're going to get. We're going to put these up here in the corner to help hold it. I'll show you that in just a second. Right here is what they look like. And you can see I'm going to blue for one. I'm going to put it right there in the corner and bolt it. And that will hold it. And I'm actually going to put glue on the 2 sides that touches the old table. And probably on top as well. That way it won't never go anywhere. Once they get it fixed, it will be good long after we have this RV. And right here's the color we're going with. See the tan color? It matches the cabinets perfectly. It's just Rust-Oleum espresso. So it's gonna look fantastic. Can't wait to show you what the finished product's gonna look like. And that's what we went with, 2 by 2, about 36 inches long. I had to cut off about, I think we made a table 30 inches, and it's poplar wood. So it's gonna look really good when it gets done. Linda's good at making stuff look good that I mess up. And here, Linda got them sanded. She's starting to spray paint them now. I think it's gonna look really good. See the wind's blowing just a little bit today.
Yeah.
That's what happens when you're in North Dakota. The wind blows at least 20 miles an hour all the time, whether you want it or not. Yeah, that's gonna look really good. And right there's the color after the first coat. Gonna need a couple more coats though, but I think it's gonna turn out really good. Picked out a great color. Now we just gotta go to Walmart and get another can of it. Okay, so now I'm getting ready to take the base of the table out. See, the wood just pops up there. And you got screws that you take out. So I've got 4 screws to take back out. I will let you see what it looks like when the base is out. Okay, we got the top out, the table top off. You can see it's not really put together very good. I think they used about the cheapest way they possibly could on the table, because you see right there's where it broke at. Had a little track that it slid back and forth. Okay, the base is out. It took all of about 2 minutes. Fairly easy to do. And the new table legs are going to look great when we get done with it. Okay, so I've got the liquid nails here, getting ready to do the first leg. We're going to put glue on it, then we'll go from there. Okay, we've got the glue on. And I got my assistant holding the leg because I've already dropped it twice. So I'm going to make a little indents in here. Tap it in so I get that screw started good. Okay, so once we get one leg done, we'll check back in. Okay, that's one leg done. 3 more to go. So far, so good. I just had to get the right parts. You know how it is. It seems like you're always missing something that you need. But I'll check back in when I get all 4 legs on. Well, just checking in. I'm on the 3rd leg now. Then the things that when we're done, you ain't gonna be able to tell that the legs are not coming on it. That is how good it's looking. It was a little bit of a struggle on the first one, but by the 3rd one, we about got it figured out. Linda's over there laughing. So it won't be long now, and hopefully I'll be done. Okay, we got all 4 legs on. Here we go. We're going to turn it right side up and see what we got. I think it looks pretty good. And now Sadie, we won't have that base underneath there, so now Sadie can have her bed underneath there. So she,
Let's turn it.
Turn it out, right?
Turn it. Yeah, it's fantastic.
Start off against the thingy. Well, I think anybody can do it. If we can do it, you can do it. So don't be overwhelmed when it comes to doing a table redo. It costs us about $40.
It's all about the assistant, though.
Yeah, Linda said it's all about the assistant, which it is. But it turned out really good.
Yes, it did.
Very pleased with it, and it just makes it look more airy underneath there.
Yeah, it does.
Don't have that big base underneath the table.
Yeah.
So I think this is where we'll leave you for this week. We'll see you next week. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.